bliksem, liewe volk.
By Bonitas is dit fokus wat ons onderskei. Ons fokus op mediese dekking en mediese dekking alleenlik. Daarom bied ons pediatriese en kindersiektevoordele.
Lorette en sy gat vasgeraai.
Hier te vind in ons aanvullende voordele. Jacket savers
On the complimentary breakfast.
with Mornay JK.
Jason Derulo is worried he could face 8 years in prison over a wild birthday bash. The singer threw a huge party at his concert in California.
Where the fuck must I go?
Hey, jy breek my kaart!
Where must I go?
Wait, listen.
Hey, you touch me, I fucking touch you back.
Listen, you're going to comply or you don't comply.
This is
Where
going
must I
on
go?
Facebook.
There's a phone there, just the way. Or now you just. Listen,
Ek maak 'n video. Jy kan nie dit doen nie.
listen,
Luister hier, so jy kan nie dit doen nie. Ons probeer hier ry.
my brother. Listen.
Het hy jou sleutel?
Ja.
Het hy jou sleutel?
Known actress Vanessa
Liffey?
Hudson says she's involved in creating awareness. She was personally affected by the disease.
There's so many people all over the world that suffer with breast cancer and
Look, here.
Foto's my sleutel houer.
Where must I comply? How did I know?
My sleutel houer.
How did I know?
Jy breek my sleutel.
But the phone's here.
Did someone regulate the traffic?
Jy was still busy putting
Someone
it on.
regulate
My
the
brother.
traffic.
My brother. Listen.
What? I need your name.
Liffey.
You do not touch me again. You touch
Liefie, hy het nog my sleutel houer. Hy het my sleutel houer. Hy het my sleutel gefok en breek. Toe so weet jy fucking tone se
Come here. Just the way. You just said that.
Who
Who are you?
It's on video.
I don't care. Who are you? Who do you think you are?
Ah, jy kan nie dit doen nie. Jy's assault.
Assault.
So yeah, I can do whatever.
There was no traffic regulation.
But there's a code. You just the way.
How must I know? Hey, you're angry at yourself.
Please move your car. Please move.
We really want to
and
see
surname.
screaming.
No, yeah, please move the car because you're.
I am David the toy.
Liefie,
7
Liefie, kyk hoe lyk jy, kom laat ons ry. Ek gaan hierdie aangee. Ek is bitterlik jammer, ek het 'n fucking video hiervan.
What's your name and surname?
That's my name, Mr. Dende.
Ek gaan dit nou kry, moenie worry nie. Ek gaan dit nou kry. Ek gaan dit nou kry.
So you can do whatever you want.
Ja, dit is sy registrasienommer. Hy het aan my gevat, hy het aan my geslaan. Hy is van Saturation Unit. Vir geen rede. En dit is hoe hy lyk. This is how he looks like.
I don't feel you are better. We close the road there, there's an accident. You want to cause the
This is how he
accident?
looks like.
No! You can't do that. You can take your
You
bill
touch
and do whatever.
me
I don't
In
care.
my face.
I touch you because you don't want to comply.
Comply.
You must
There was
comply.
not proper
You can't jump-
instructions.
You can't jump the accident. What do you think you are? Move the accident.